Thank you, PDP. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, the youths of Akwa Ibom State. Thank you, the youths of Nigeria. Thank you, the stakeholders in this country. Thank you, the men of Nigeria. PDP! I don't think that's the way we do it. People in Canada, people in the United States, people in UK must know that we are flagging off PDP presidential campaign today. Akwa Ibom say PDP! Thank you. Your Excellencies, let me first of all welcome our national chairman of this great party, and by extension, all the members of the National Working Committee. Let me welcome the former Vice President, Namadi Sambo, all the former chairmen of our party, all the governors here present, all of us joining our hearts together to welcome our special candidate, the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the only man that has capacity, the only man that has the experience, the only man that will unite Nigeria, the only man that will love people of Nigeria. Akwa Ibom, who is that man? Akwa Ibom, who is that man? Thank you. All of us, I also want us specially to welcome his running mate, the vice presidential candidate of this movement. Movement to also rock. Movement to victory. Movement to rescue Nigeria. Akwa Ibom, help me welcome Governor Ifeanyi Okowa. Especially, we want to welcome, through the DG of our campaigns, Aminu Tamuwa. We welcome all the governors, all the former governors, all the ministers, former ministers, all the stakeholders of our party. Permit me, because of time, let me not start going again one by one. The BOT, the Senate, the House of Rep, every single person here present. Let me say here, fellow Nigerians, the campaign to restore Nigeria, revitalize the veins of our growth and prosperity, deepen the cords of our unity that have been fractured, restore hope and faith in our common dreams and aspirations, begins today. Begins today. I don't have a long speech, but I will simply ask you a few fundamental questions to welcome you to this flag off. And the answers you provide will determine the direction and course of this great nation of ours. Take from the next year. Question number one. Are you better off today than in 2015? When PDP handed over power to the other party, poverty today has gotten to misery indices. Are you safe in your homes today? The answer is no. On the streets, on the highways, when you are traveling, do you feel safe any longer? Who will rescue Nigeria? Who will rescue Nigeria? Who will restore Nigeria? Who has the capacity to restore Nigeria? Who has the experience to restore Nigeria? And which party does he belong to? Which party? I want to remind you that at times we may have forgotten. When PDP handed over power, the exchange rate was 186 naira to $1. Today, the exchange rate is almost 800 naira to $1. When PDP handed over power, Nigeria had the largest economy in the entire Africa. Today, all those indices have been battered. And so today, we want to flag off the hope for Nigerians. We want to flag off the rescue mission to Nigerians. We want to flag off the restoration move to Nigerians. We want to tell Nigerians the ship is beginning to sail today. We want to tell Nigerians the train is moving today. That all Nigerians are expected to join the train. All Nigerians are expected to checkmate the vices that the current party had brought untold hardship to our people. In 2015, Nigerians who were outside the country, they were returning to Nigeria. Now, every single Nigerian you're seeing, mainly students, professionals, they are eager to leave Nigeria. What can we say to the party that has caused us problems? Tofia! 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 Today, as we flag off this campaign, we are standing here as men that will not tell people what we can do. We are standing Nigerians. We are standing as men to let Nigerians know what we've done in the past and what we've been doing. How we've maintained peace in the Nigerian entire structure and system. How educational system has been functioning in the past. This is the first time students will be at home, losing the whole academic session in the current dispensation. This is the first time the indices of all vices are increasing at this rate. But I came here today to promise Nigerians that as we flag off the trend, as we take off, we fasten seatbelts, that we are ready. We promise Nigerians that as we flag off this campaign today, we flag off hope. We flag off mission to restore Nigeria. We flag off mission to rescue Nigeria. We are promising Nigerians that we have a team that will take back this country to its lost glory. We have a team that will take back the economy of Nigeria to where we were and even surpass that place that we were before now. I want to promise Nigerians that this is a team that can do it. This is the only team that can get there. And which party can do it for Nigeria? PDP. Nigeria is a great nation of a great people. And we must elect people who have strong pedigree in managing successful enterprises to lead this country. I repeat myself again. If you cannot manage a kiosk, you can't manage a multinational. We have seen it. If we did not give other party a chance, Nigerians couldn't have known that any other party outside PDP will sink the ship of our economy, will rubbish our currency, will destroy our education system, will not have anything to offer in our social contract. But today, I'm happy Nigerians have seen the difference. We used to have a beverage company who will tell you that the difference is what? The difference is.